Snow. I hate it, but it is pretty. Let me show you a little bit of my property with the tree line, snow-covered tree lines around my house. It just got done snowing, I don't know, 6-8 inches. Just got done plowing. I hate taking care of the snow, I hate the cold, but it is pretty. I could, tell you that. So let's look around. I don't know if you can see all the snow covered. Looks pretty cool. It's a little bit of a dreary day. Just look at that big pine tree all draped over with snow. It's a warm day, so the snow is going to start falling. Look at that. Yeah. Another big pine tree. Snow covered. All the snow on the limbs. There's Your Majesty, our big tree. Our driveway, walking down there. All these trees. Nice. Let's go for a nice walk there. With the snow on the limbs, they're bent over a little bit more. Got a little, so it looks like kind of a canopy going down my driveway. And let's stop here for a second and let's just look through here, through the little creek runoff from my brother's pond. My brother lives over there and he's got a pond and the runoff comes over through here. Look at that. Don't that look nice? Pretty. Pretty. I got a culvert here. This fills up with a little bit of water here, a little bit in the summer, in the spring and stuff. And then it runs out through here and on this side, which it's a little overgrown, but I like this. This is a wild rose bush and it grows galore. But the runoff goes through here and it goes all down through there. So all this snow covered. Look at, pretty cool. I plowed this morning, as you saw in my last video. But look at snow covered. Looks pretty cool. My apple trees that are overgrown and I got to trim. But, see, all looking down. But yeah. Oh. The big snowbanks. That looks pretty nice. But yeah, this is my driveway. My trees. Big ones. And just walking down through this nice canopy. Yeah. Well, this is just a quick little video. Just wanted to show you the snow. I hate it. I hate taking care of it. But it is pretty when it's like this. Snow-covered trees. And when it's sunny and glistening, that's even prettier too. But it's a little hazy today. Quite hazy today. But anyway, but if you look in the background here, you know, behind me, I like, you know, nice snow-covered limbs, canopy. But anyway, just a quick video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. And you know what? If you want to see some more of my videos, check out the next one up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.